Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever found yourself struggling with eyeshadows that fade or crease by midday, leaving you in a constant battle to touch up? Well, today we're looking at something that promises to take that problem off your plate for good. The Kiko Milano long-lasting eyeshadow stick in the shade 02 Rose. This beauty is a creamy, blendable formula that promises to deliver extreme hold with a metallic finish. The best part? It's designed to be as easy to use as it is to wear. If you're someone who loves quick application without sacrificing performance, this might just be your new favorite. Let's talk specifics. The Kiko Milano eyeshadow stick is a pencil-style product, which, if you're anything like me, means easy application on the go. Its creamy texture is the standout feature. Rich and smooth, this eyeshadow glides effortlessly onto your lids. And the shade 02 Rose is a beautiful metallic pink that catches the light just right, adding a soft yet glamorous touch to any look. Whether you're into full glam or subtle daytime makeup, this stick can easily be layered or blended for your desired intensity. Real-world testing with this eyeshadow was surprisingly pleasant. I've incorporated it into both my morning and evening routines, and I'm happy to report it lived up to the claims. Throughout the day, the eyeshadow didn't budge or fade even after hours of wear. I didn't experience any creasing, and the color stayed vibrant, which, let's be honest, is not always the case with cream formulas. Whether I wore it alone or layered it with a powder eyeshadow, the results were consistently impressive. The pencil design made it easy to apply without much fuss, perfect for a no-mirror, quick makeup session, but it can also be blended out with a brush or fingertip for a softer finish. One of the minor drawbacks, though, is that if you're aiming for a more intricate eye look with multiple layers, you might want to be careful about over-blending, as it can get a little tricky with the creamy formula. But if you like a simple, fuss-free eyeshadow routine, this won't be an issue at all. Now, let's talk value for money. The Kiko Milano long-lasting eyeshadow stick sits in the mid-range price category, and for what it delivers, it's definitely worth it. You're getting a product that performs well and lasts throughout the day without breaking the bank. In comparison to other similar eyeshadow sticks, Kiko Milano strikes a good balance between quality and affordability. As for the packaging, the pencil is sleek and sturdy. You don't have to worry about it snapping easily or leaking, and the twist-up mechanism makes it practical for everyday use. In terms of longevity, I can see this lasting for quite a while. There's a decent amount of product in the stick, and a little goes a long way. If you're a fan of eyeshadows that stay put through everything, this could be a great addition to your makeup bag. However, if you prefer powder eyeshadows or are looking for something more high-end, this might not be the perfect fit for you. And before we wrap up, a quick reminder. If this review has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support keeps us going and ensures we keep bringing honest, thorough reviews. To close, thanks for spending some time with me today. If you've tried this eyeshadow stick or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.